What's up, guys? Nova Studios. I'm Slade, and today we're playing BloxBurg. And today this is just an update video. So they had a new Windows update. They had a lot of new things like electronics. I think I showed that in the last video. Kitchen stuff. So and doors. If you keep up on my mansion update videos, and you'll know there's already change outside, and that's not the door. So, and I am using a mic, guys. I think. So, I added this door. Tall front door. New stove so I could add small things. Blender. Turns out that doesn't even work. This window seal. Or did I think I showed that in the last video. I added this. Now to the office area. So I didn't do much in here. I didn't do anything in there, in fact. There's new counters, a beverage fridge, coffee maker, like coffee, espresso, and cappuccino. I think that's how you say it. Blender, that just doesn't work. And there's new things. Like you can make stuff from this milk. More. Wait, there's water? Was there water before? I don't think so. First, what? Fruit shakes, smoothies. What am I saying? You can make mac and cheese out of these now. Yogurt plus blocks tart. What? Oh, you also need a toaster. Okay. Some of these you do need more other stuff. And chocolate mix soak. So, oatmeal. Bro, I just bought that for no reason. Okay, microwave and toaster next time. Oh wait, toaster right here. So this is Nathan's area. I just put the TV backwards. Okay. Don't know what to say about that. Phones, desk phones, got that. I'm putting lights by all of them. Orange is white, so, and I'm gonna ask Nathan what he wants his color to be. So, that's it for the office. And if you notice what's different from the outside, I will shout you out in the next video if you say it in time. Which I will probably not do a video tomorrow. Just saying. Same out here, yeah. Yeah. So, Nathan's room is just Nathan's room now. So, yeah. And so I split this big room that was right here, and I put it into 4 rooms. So the first room is right here. So this is for the person who was in Nathan's room over there. Nah. What? Do I? Okay. Lag! And the tight squeeze bathroom. No. Close. So, really tight bathroom. I've got a meal. This is a girl's room. Speakers right there. Desk with a cordless phone. I use it somewhere. TV. Fan right there. They also added fans. And a movie theater, since they added a movie TV. Why am I jumping? Mini fridge and beverage fridge. I didn't know the beverage fridge was basically the same thing. Oh, but I think, yeah, okay. The beverage fridge, I think in the beverage fridge, it should just be beverages, not like drinks. And you know, of course, I updated my room a bit. Nothing in here besides what's outside. Oh yeah, they added soaps. Just guess that's not a big deal. And they added a new door, so pretty much it. So next video also actually hold on. So I'm gonna show you guys like the whole house right now. I want you to tell me in the comments how many computers and TVs are in this house. And that's like laptops. So right there, right there, right there, right there. Nothing in here. So let's go over there. So I think there's at least 10 on this first floor. No, oh, not 10. If you, all right here. So added the new window here. Right here, right here. Always was in there. One almost done. Alright, here, there's a ton in here. I won't count the ones in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in here. 2 in here. No, 3 actually. Right there. 2 right there. Right there. Oh no, there's not any in there. Now the tree house and the guest house. And you'll also get a shout out. And if you figure out how many TVs and computers are in here. Also update the door. Right here, right here. Always leave this door open. New door right here too. Yeah. So that's all. Yeah, that's all. So hope you liked the video. Subscribe, leave a like, push the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.